subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
I've actually drawn in a scrapbook because I had a crush on this girl, so I've literally drawn all the moments that I had met her in up until that day. हाँ, जब मुझे randomly लोग ऐसा कोई आके बोले कि hey brother, hey bro, you know, and I think कि यार तुम मुझे जानते भी नहीं हो और मुझे bro बोल रहे हो, तो मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगता है वो बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट है. तो ही इज लाइक एक्चुअली आवर चेकर कि हम उसको देखने भेजते हैं कि यार ये फिल्म देख के बताना कैसी लगी. तो जब कहता है कि बहुत घटिया फिल्म है तो हम जाके देखते हैं क्योंकि पता है वो अच्छी होगी. पीछे से कोई आके मुझे टैप करे वो मेरा दिमाग खनक जाता है. आई एक्चुअली ऑलमोस्ट एंडेड अप फाइट हो गई थी मेरी. वो बेचारा वो बच्चा था, मुझे ध्यान नहीं हुआ तो रिफ्लेक्स में मैंने ना उसको उठा के इधर पटक दिया था बिकॉज ही जस्ट डिड दैट. वो मुझे पीछे लगता है जैसे I get damn annoyed.
What is something you did as a child your parents don't know about? Hello guys, today we have with us Ali Fazal, who's all set for the release of Mirzapur Season 2, and he's here with us to play Know Your Star segment with us. So let's get started. Okay, so Ali, we have one very quick segment for you. Can we go ahead with that?
Yeah, I mean, if I can survive it, yeah.
Yeah. It's a rapid fire round. Okay. What is something you did as a child your parents don't know about?
I actually had a very steady relationship because I was very young with somebody. And quite a raunchy affair, and I think which my parents never got to know about. I started acting in college, which my parents didn't know about. Yeah, because मैं college में economics पढ़ रहा था, मैं science student था, so you know those were things we weren't supposed to do, I suppose. Yeah, और क्या था? I think that's it. ऐसा कोई मतलब बिगड़ा बच्चा नहीं था मैं.
Okay. Is there any silly accomplishment that you have made and that you're secretly proud of?
Yeah, there have been. One is not much of a secret, but I think it needs a lot of promotion. I'm so proud of this little short film that we made recently called Tasveer. Ashutosh Pathak directed. It's an animation, and it's a beautiful mirror of our society today. It's there on YouTube and everywhere. I'm very proud of it. Very proud of it.
What do you think is the dumbest thing that you have ever done?
I've actually drawn in a scrapbook because I had a crush on this girl, so I've literally drawn all the moments that I had met her in up until that day. और जब मैं साइन कराने गया हूँ तो उसने लिटरली वो देख के हंसी और उसने साइन मतलब कुछ लिखा ही नहीं. मेरा बहुत दिल टूट गया था उस वक्त. हाँ. But हाँ, it was really a very kiddish and stupid thing. I was a kid, yeah.
Okay. What is a silly habit that you have now that you don't tell people about?
I'm obsessed. I don't know. OCDs बहुत हैं यार मेरे, मतलब टाइम का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. सो I can't. I have to train myself to go fashionably late to places. कि मतलब पार्टी का टाइम 9 बजे होगा तो मुझे 9 बजे मतलब मेरा एंजाइटी बढ़ने लगता है कि मुझे अब पहुंचना है. बट यू कांट गो देयर एट 9, राइट? यू गो देयर एट 10. तो मैं वेन्यू के पास जाके गाड़ी खड़ी कर लेता हूँ. तो जब फैशनेबली लेट होता है तब मैं एंटर करता हूँ, which is I have to break that habit. Yeah, बहुत गलत है वो.
Wow. Very less people are, punctual these days. It's a good thing actually.
Thank you.
Okay. What phone apps are you obsessed with?
Obsessed तो नहीं बोलूँगा, मतलब it's a disease now. I think all these apps have become our nemesis. But Instagram is something I really enjoy. I think it was meant for that, and I hope it remains that for everybody. For me, it's like a little archive कि वहाँ पे ना एक दफा लिख के उसको डाल दो वो फिर रहेगा. क्योंकि I'm very bad at recording stuff on my own, so.
Okay. What word or phrase people use that you just can't stand?
What's the weather? ये बहुत होता है कॉन्वर्सेशंस में. और दूसरा होता है क्या था? हाँ, जब मुझे रैंडमली लोग ऐसा कोई आके बोले कि हे ब्रदर, हे ब्रो, यू नो, एंड आई थिंक कि यार तुम मुझे जानते भी नहीं हो और मुझे ब्रो बोल रहे हो, तो मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगता है वो. या पीछे से कोई आके मुझे टैप करे, वो मेरा दिमाग खनक जाता है. आई एक्चुअली ऑलमोस्ट एंडेड अप, मैं फाइट हो गई थी मेरी. वो बेचारा, वो बच्चा था, मुझे ध्यान नहीं हुआ, तो रिफ्लेक्स में मैंने ना उसको उठा के इधर पटक दिया था, बिकॉज ही जस्ट डिड दैट. वो मुझे पीछे लगता है जैसे आई गेट डैम अनॉयड. गलती होगी.
Which movie do you regret wasting 2 hours of your life on?
बहुत है. आई डोंट नो. ब्राइट एक फिल्म आई थी नेटफ्लिक्स पे, बहुत खराब थी वो. हाँ, विल स्मिथ की.
One thing without which your day is incomplete.
My bath. I can't step out without. Yeah, मैं दिन में दो दफा बोलूंगा, दो दफा नहाता हूँ कम से कम. I have to. Without that, yeah.
Okay. A friend of yours who is worst at giving advices.
वर्स नहीं, वो बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट है. तो ही इज लाइक एक्चुअली आवर चेकर, कि हम उसको देखने भेजते हैं कि यार ये फिल्म देख के बताना कैसी लगी. तो जब कहता है कि बहुत घटिया फिल्म है, तो हम जाके देखते हैं, क्योंकि पता है वो अच्छी होगी. तो वहाँ वो ऐसा है, ऑपोजिट है.
Okay. One friend from the industry whose word that you live by.
Whose word that I live by? I mean, यार बहुत हैं, मतलब of course Richa I can say. पता नहीं यार, फ्रेंड तो नहीं कहूंगा, बट यू नो, लाइक आई थिंक शाहरुख खान इज somebody whose word is generally like, yeah, you can live by that. Yeah, smart guy.
Okay. One person without whom your life can come to a standstill.
I think that's an obvious answer. I think, yeah. Richa.
Okay. What song can always make you dance, especially when no one is around?
मेहंदी लगा के रखना from DDLJ. I love it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. The last one. If you had to give one or two or one habit of, give up one or two habits for the rest of your life, if you have to give them up, which one would that be?
Oh, habit of sweets. Yeah, I love sweets. I'm happy to give up that. Totally. I have a sweet tooth.
Okay. One last one. One food item that you can eat for the rest of your life.
Kebabs. मेरे घर के गलावटी कबाब. हाँ, वो and biryani.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ali, for connecting with us. And we wish you all the very best for Mirzapur season 2. And please take care of yourself and stay safe.
Thank you so much. And you too.
Thank you. So guys, that was Ali Fazal with us, and this is Priyanka Chauhan signing off for now for India Forums, Mumbai. And all of you, please take care of yourselves, stay healthy, stay safe.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.